Hey everybody, Mom and Son Train Rail fans coming to you with the end of the night video. We've done quite a bit today. I want to show you a few things. As you know, this is going to be more of like the countryside coming down out of the mountains. I was telling you I was going to fill in this spot, and I'll show you with what. I got one of my guys fishing. There he is. So he's there. Wanted to show you Mothra and the twins. And if you know anything about Godzilla, he has the twin girls. Mothra is good. I'm going to go a little bit closer. I also feel like I'm going to sneeze. Hold on. I am so sorry. Excuse me. Here is Godzilla, and as you can see, I texturized the battle side of the layout, and there he is crushing the first building. I weathered and painted an army tank. We've got 2 buildings that were completed, painted and put some weathering on those. King Ghidorah is now coming off of the nuclear plant. Let me walk over this way. Oh, I got 2 new Chinese lions up. I decided not to paint them. They're very light, so I didn't have to worry about weight. I was pretty pleased with everything that I got accomplished today, considering we had to do some track work. And there's Guy again. He's going after the first building to crush. I made another plane that's coming down trying to shoot at him. And this poor plane didn't make it. He left the airstrip and got knocked down, and you can see closer I just did some of the fiery flames coming down on the side of the mountain. Side of the building, I'm sorry. And there's beautiful Mothra and the 2 twins right there. And Ray could sing you the song. But, yep, so now we're going to gradually add buildings as I paint them coming through. And there's a better view of the track. And the tank that I 3D printed and painted and weathered. Same with those buildings. So, yep, that was what was done today. And as far as maintenance, we cleaned some track. Had a couple nails that were giving us trouble that was catching the end of a couple trains, so we fixed that. And then Ray was out here running some trains. So it is now time to get going on this layout, and you see where the battle is going to take place. And we've got a few more of the Godzilla crews. Rodan is getting printed, and we'll get colored tomorrow. I guess I could tell you, Jet Jaguar, I got him printing. He will be part of it. And the buildings. So, Mr. Godzilla there is starting his layout. But I'm quite happy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we will do another video tomorrow. Have a good one. We appreciate everybody.